Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable corporate actions reminder on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then once you're here, going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then here we're going to click on message settings. So as you can see, there's the corporate actions reminder option. You're going to click on it. Since the push notifications are turned on, you're going to turn them off. So from now on, you won't receive any corporate action reminders to your account. We also have a video on how to enable it, so you guys could check it out as well. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.